The future of furniture is transparently crafted close to home with nature's finest. Every year, furniture contributes to over 12 million tons of landfill waste. Discarded goods that were once in our spaces are ridden with harmful chemicals, and the carbon footprint of making, moving, and discarding these goods is enormous. We value beautiful spaces and clean lifestyles more than beautiful, sustainable. Meno reduces waste by designing our goods to be circular. We use materials efficiently and keep our packaging to a minimum. Meno uses only the cleanest, climate-friendly materials that are toxin, carcinogen, and petroleum-free to keep your spaces clean, your air clear, and the planet conserved. Meno will always source, craft, and sell as close to home as possible, leveraging smart shipping and electric transportation to keep our carbon impact to a minimum. Furnish your spaces with less waste, cleaner materials, and a smaller footprint. Sit in the future with us.